Situated in this pretty hamlet of Lake, just south of Barnstable, is this 4/5 detached barn conversion, Little Meadow. Sat on grounds of approximately 1/3 of an acre with an oak frame double garage and ample parking on site. My name's William from Fine & Country and I'm delighted to be able to show you around. Converted in 1999, this property provides well-presented accommodation across 2 floors, showcasing numerous character features such as exposed beams, internal feature stone walls, quarry tiled floors and cottage-style wooden doors throughout. Upstairs, a spacious landing currently serves as a study area and leads to 2 additional double bedrooms. A bathroom on this floor includes a 3-piece white suite with a bath, pedestal wash hand basin, WC and heated towel. I hope you've enjoyed the video of this wonderful home looking for its next owner. If you'd like to know a little bit more, give Fine & Country a call on the number below and we'll be delighted to speak with you. Thank you.